DoubleTrack 2-bike platform hitch carrier. The DoubleTrack can be used on a 2-inch or 1.25" receiver. Simply remove the 2-inch aluminum sleeve to attach to an 1.25" hitch. Start installation by sliding the base unit into your receiver and aligning the hole on the side of the stinger with the hole on the side of the hitch. Then begin to hand tighten the receiver bolt into the hitch and finalize the tightening with the wrench provided with the rack or a 19mm socket wrench to make it easier. Check to make sure it's secure. Take your SnugTite lock and install one of the lock cylinders with the install key and place it on the end of your hitch bolt and lock into place. Next, slide the inner plastic cover onto the base post and place the main platform on. Insert the 2 carriage bolts through the holes on the side and proceed to tighten down the nylock nuts with the wrench provided or 19mm socket wrench. Now attach the front plastic cover, align the 3 holes, and tighten them together with the self-threading Allen bolts and the gold hex wrench provided with the rack. For tires larger than 3.5 inches, insert the strap through the slot on the wheel trays furthest away from the gray buckle. For tires less than 3.5 inches, insert the strap through all the slots on the bottom of the wheel trays. Slide the rim protectors onto the wheel straps. The inner wheel trays are labeled F. Slide these onto the platform first. Be sure to have the correct orientation. The inner side of the wheel tray will be higher than the outer side. Now take the R labeled wheel tray and repeat the process. Fold the rack up and install the side caps. Place it onto the end and use the self-threading Allen bolts to tighten them on. Install the locks into the knobs on the clamps. This will need to be done to be able to tighten the knobs. With the rack all assembled, to load a bike from start to finish, pull on the gray lever to lower the DoubleTrack into place. Then push the large gray button in front to lift the bike holder arm into the vertical position. To determine how far apart to place the wheel holders, you can place your bike into the trays and adjust the distance between them. Once positioned, tighten the gray lever bolt and snap them into place. Once set, load the bike into the trays and adjust the clamp arm onto the bike frame. Determine whether the upper tube, vertical tube, or diagonal tube will be the best option for you. To adjust the height, press the gray button on the vertical post and slide the clamp up or down. Twist the clamp into place and tighten the knob until it is very snug. Once it is all tightened, lock the knob. When the knob is locked, it will spin freely with no tension. With the clamp in place, strap the wheels down. Make sure the strap is settled nicely between your spokes and the rim protector is seated properly. Thanks for watching the installation of the Thule 9054 DoubleTrack platform bike carrier. If you have any further questions, visit our website at rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.